Hi everyone, my name is Natalie from So Sassy Style, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a one-layer fabric cover for your N95 mask. And this is the mask cover that we'll be making today. Patterns available in my Etsy shop, link in description. After you print and cut out your pattern, you want to cut out 2 pieces of fabric for each piece of the pattern. Notice that there's 2 notches at the top and 1 notch at the bottom. Lay your fabric right sides together, matching those notches. With a 1/2-inch seam, sew from the top edge of the fabric to the bottom notch and backstitch. Then sew from the bottom notch to the bottom edge of the fabric. This leaves you with a 2-inch gap on each side. Now separate your seam allowance and press. And you can just trim off those extra bits. Next, fold each side of your seam allowance in on itself and press it, hiding the raw edge. The gap that's left between the 2 pieces is what the ear straps will be pulled through. And now you're going to sew those folds down, sewing close to the edge as you go down one side, turn it, and then go down the other side. Now put your 2 sides of the mask together and sew the front seam. I'm using a serger for this, but a zigzag stitch would work as well. I also sew it with a normal straight stitch. Now I'm serging around the perimeter to finish the raw edges. I add a little piece of ribbon to the top of the mask, and then I fold the edge in once and hem all the way around the mask cover. And now you're finished. The little piece of ribbon that I added to the top of the mask cover lets me know that that is the top, as it really does make a difference in how this fits onto the actual mask. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial.